going on YouTube? It's Mitch Santona and I'm back, and I'm here with the second part of my Sons of Cybertron animated Takara Deluxe 2-pack. This time we're going to be focused on none other than Optimus Prime. So the last review I did Rodimus Minor, and great figure, one of my favorite in this animated line, and I didn't think I could rate a figure much higher than him, but, well, this guy's come along. So here he comes packaged. In the package, they are both in their robot mode. Beautiful packaging. Autobot. There's Prime. Comes with some other, shows some of the other Takara animated deluxes and Voyagers. There's a leader class in here. And, nice package. There's Rodimus on the other side, and yes, they both come with cards as well, which again I can't read, but cool nonetheless. Little collector card. It probably has a text spec of some sort, but I wouldn't know. So let's get rid of the box and bring out the main character here, which is Optimus Prime. Now, let me do a comparison shot. I couldn't do this with Rodimus because I don't have another Rodimus yet. I stress yet. This is a I guess it would be a remold, because you can't repaint something clear. It has to be, it's not a remold. They use the same mold but different plastic. And this obviously is a clear version. This was the Battle Begins 2-pack, I want to say. This is the one with the battle damage, which I thought was really stupid. Very cool little set. Both of these figures are really great. That he came with Megatron as well. They're both great figures, but they came with that battle damage on them, and I haven't gone through and repainted him or anything, or took some of that off. There's too much crap on it. I'd have to redo his face and such, so I don't want to do that. But this is just what you'd get normally, and this is what he was remolded looking like. So let's talk about this a little bit. This character, Optimus Prime animated, I give it a 10. He's awesome. I got nothing else to say about that. Very cool. This mold, I give it a 10. I give it a 10 because it's great in both modes. It really is very cool in both modes. He's just a little animated Optimus Prime truck. He's very true to his cartoon character. Looks just like it, and in both modes. So it's great, and it embodies everything that is animated and everything about the line. The paint on this guy, I love this paint job. Well, I love his colors rather than his paint, because he doesn't have much paint. He just got a little bit of silver, a little bit of yellow. His face is a little bit colored up. Other than that, most of it's clear, and I really do think it's nice. And let's get to his alt mode. His alt mode is a 10. I just mentioned that. I have nothing wrong with this alt mode at all. I think this is awesome. Really awesome. Very nice. And his transformation, I am going to take him off screen, get him transformed, and when I come back, we will have Crystal Optimus Prime. And here we have transformed Crystal animated Optimus Prime. So, let's do the transformation. It's a 10. It's very nice. It's perfect. It's exactly what you want out of your Optimus Prime. It's very Optimus Prime-y, so I've got no complaints at all about the transformation. Robot mode, also a 10. I really love the aesthetic of this guy. I love how dynamic he looks just standing there. He looks really cool and very animated. His articulation, also a 10. There's not much he can't do. Not at all. He can get into some nutty, crazy poses. His arms and legs, everything about him is just completely posable. You can get him in some rocking out poses here. And I really do dig it. He ain't gonna stand, but... Well, let me get on to quality control. This is the only fault that I have with this figure. This Crystal guy in particular, I have an issue with it. I have to give it a 7 because although everything is, I love everything about this guy, he is very loose. like loose to the point where he's barely standing up. His joints, and I don't know if it has something to do with just the clear plastic making everything very loose or what, but I mean you can see he can barely hold himself up. He's just really very wobbly. There's no possible way I would get him in one of those crazy poses and have him stay like that, as opposed to this guy who, he is not as bad. He's a little bit more rigid. He holds up a little tighter. This guy is just kind of, he's got like the wet noodle legs syndrome here, and I kind of don't like that, and I'm kind of disappointed in that, because this is a guy I'd like to just have on display, and he can really just barely stand there. I'd hate for like a car to come by with some bass. He would just probably rattle right off the shelf and fall down under his own weight, so that kind of sucks. Other than that, though, his paint, his colors, the plastic, everything is absolutely gorgeous on him. I love it, and he is very tight. Everything secures very tightly in alt mode. So it was really weird, because I got him out of the box. I'm like, wow, this guy's so wiggly. And then when I actually transformed him back into the truck, he was very tight package, no seam lines or anything. I mean, he was just, everything secured perfectly, every post, every port. So a little bit disappointed in that, and that's really the knock I can only say on this guy. Other than that, I think he is spot on. I rate this dude a 10 overall. I can't not recommend this. I think I enjoy this clear, even though I'm not a big fan of the crystal stuff. I don't really have any of them except this pack. Now that I have this, I may go back and snag like a Ghost Starscream or two, just because I kind of think I like it, and it's kind of turned me on towards it. So I may go back and actually pick up Crystal Starscream. I prefer this guy to this, I believe. I think I would rather have this minus the stupid battle damage, but I don't know. In any event, if you could pick these guys up, I say definitely get it. I mean, you're going to get Rodimus, and he is all sorts of awesome on his own, and then this guy's just a bonus. I think this is an upgrade from the battle damage one. I give this figure set, I give him a 10, the set itself a 10 or 11. My scale doesn't go that high. I can't recommend it enough. Keep buying animated, support the line. Keep it alive, baby.